In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I carry in my backpacking toiletries kit. Hi everyone, my name is Amy Rout. I make hiking and backpacking videos, and I was tagged by Jessie from Backcountry Forward to share with you guys what is in my backpacking toiletries kit. Jesse has a lot of good energy, so I recommend checking out his channel. I'm actually in my own backyard, and yes, that is a big spruce behind me. Oh, big gust of wind. The new house we moved into is against the foothills of the Wasatch, so it's pretty windy here, and I don't know if it's just been windy the past few days or if it's where we're at. Now, this kit is not very extensive. It's basically the same as any other backpackers with a specific difference, and that is women-specific toiletry items, and we will get to those towards the end. It might be important to mention that I am a 2 to 6 day backpacker, so this is what that kit is for. Also, I use the word kit, but I am not a stuff sack kind of person. It's not an actual kit that I have in a bag altogether. Alright, so excluding period stuff, I bring toothpaste, toothbrush, trowel, toilet paper, an extra baggie for toilet paper, sunscreen, and chapstick. I didn't know whether to include bug spray or not, but every once in a while I bring bug spray, not usually when I'm backpacking in the desert, but a lot of times when I am backpacking in the mountains, I do want this for mosquitoes. Some people also like bringing baby wipes, deodorant, or soap, among some other things. I don't think that those are necessary for me. However, some people like to bring those because it makes them more comfortable on the trail. So bring those if you like to or want to, because you shouldn't let anybody tell you that you should not bring those things. Just remember, if you do use soap, to never wash off in water like lakes or streams. I also know that female urinary devices have gotten pretty popular. At least I see a lot of people talk about them on backpacking Facebook groups. Again, not necessary at all, but if you are interested in something like that, they do exist. Alright, and then as for backpacking when I am on my period, there's not a lot extra that I bring. Basically, I bring pads and or liners, and then I use that same baggie that I use for toilet paper to dispose of them in. For personal reasons, I don't use a menstrual cup. However, I hear really, really, really great things about them. So if you are interested in that, then I think it seems totally worth checking out. Alright, so I am done telling you guys what I bring. Don't forget that everybody has different needs and preferences. So the list that I shared with you might not be the exact same as the list of things that you want to bring or the list that other people bring. I would also love to get more female perspectives in here, so that is why I'm going to tag Alicia from Girl on a Hike. We want to see what is in your backpacking toiletries kit. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. This is going to be the test of my mic because I think this is my first time when it's been really windy. The new house we moved into, oh God, there's also birds going crazy. All right.